Hey there everybody. Okay, so in addition to the written and photo instructions, I'm going to go ahead and do a video tutorial for you guys as well. So here's what the berry stitch should be looking like so far, and we just ended with the row where we did the slip stitches and single crochets. So now to begin the next row of the berries, we're going to go ahead and chain up 2 and turn your work. And now you're going to go into this stitch right here, and we're going to go ahead and do a berry. So yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the 1 loop. You have 3 loops now. Yarn over again, insert into that same stitch, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through just 1, you're still left with the 5. Yarn over again, pull through all 5, just like that, chain 1, and then you guys are going to do a slip stitch right into that next stitch. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, take that loop, pull it right through that loop, and that's it. So we're going to go into the next stitch for the next berry. So again, yarn over, insert, pull up, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop, you got the 5 there, yarn over, pull through just 1, you got the 5 still, go ahead and yarn over and pull through all 5. Chain 1, next stitch is a slip stitch, just like that. Okay, so if you turn your work, you can see a bunch of little baby berries right there. They're so cute. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and just continue with this row, and we'll be done. Let's see. So here's a berry stitch. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do a slip stitch right there into the turning chain. Oopsie. Sorry, there we go. Chain 1, and then insert slip stitch. Okay. And we got a row 2 of the berries, and that is basically all there is to this stitch.